Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let's solve for x in this radical equation. Okay? The first step to take is to eliminate this root. Okay? So we are going to square both sides. So this side square and this side square. Remember, this right hand side is the same thing as 2 square then x square. Okay? So this square is going to cancel this root. So here we are left with x equals to 2 square and x square. Okay? So 2 square is the same thing as 4. So x is equals to 4, then x square. Okay, at this point you are going to move this x to this other side. Okay? So it's the same thing as 4 x square minus x then equals to 0. Okay? At this point we are going to factorize. We have x here and we have x here. Okay? So x into bracket 4x squared divided by x will give us 4x. Then x divided by x will give us minus x divided by x will give us minus 1. Then equals to 0. Okay. At this point now, it's either x equals to 0 or 4x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay? So we have x equals to 0 or 4x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay? So x equals to 0, or you transpose this 1. Okay, you transpose minus 1 to this other side, and the sign will now change to positive. Okay? So we have 4x equals to 1. Okay. We are going to divide both sides by 4. So here 4 and here 4. Okay? This 4 will now go with this 4. So here we are left with x equals to 0 or x is equals to 1 all over 4. So the value which satisfies x in this equation is 0 or 1 over 4. Okay?